What's the meaning of anorexic? Anorexic. 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 Anorexic.
Anorexic refers to a medical condition characterized by an intense fear of gaining weight, an extremely low body weight, and a distorted perception of one's own body image. It is often associated with restrictive eating, excessive exercise, and an obsession with food and weight. Anorexia can result in severe physical and mental health consequences, including malnutrition, organ damage, depression, anxiety, and even death. Early intervention and treatment are crucial for individuals struggling with anorexia to achieve recovery and improve their overall well-being.